Have you ever created a list or time frame for each item on the list of wellness practices? What I mean is, and hey, by the way, it's Deanna, your wellness and life coach and personal trainer. I want you to think about, so here's an example. When I am meal planning, I look at, what type of recipes do I have? How long do those recipes take? And then each evening, how much time do I have for dinner prep? Is it a night that I'm, going to softball? Is it a night that I have a, client coming in for a visit? How much time do I have? And I can match because I know how long each of those different meals, the prep, etc., cooking time, and I can match that to the night. And I want you to think about that for your wellness practices. What are the things, first of all, that really help you feel well? Is it sleep? Is it rest? Is it, a few minutes in the sun? Or is it working out? Whatever the thing is, what is the wellness practice that really helps you? And if you have a list of those, I really invite you to think about creating, how much time do they take? If one of the things is a workout, do you need 30 minutes for your workout? Do you need an hour for your workout? All time is possible. But I want you to think about that. If you say, I need to take a nap in the afternoon, is that 20 minutes that makes you feel rested, etc., right? And then what you can do is on a day where you're thinking, goodness, I need to jump and pop in some self-care and wellness practices, you can choose from your list according to how much time you have. Cheering you on.